Welcome students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Archer means someone who shoots arrows from a bow, and feats means achievements that require a lot of skill and strength, etc. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. From this passage, we learn that Chen Yaozi was living in China and who was an archer. He was a skilled archer and he liked to perform his archery skills in a crowd that was gathering around him. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi, but this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." Precisely means exactly, and gourds means containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Uttered means said. So, what happened in the story? One day, when Chen Yaozi was practicing his skill, all other people were clapping their hands, but there was an old man. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He was just saying that it's just a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi was annoyed. Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? No, sir, the old man replied. I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything's a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? So, in the story, Chen Yaozi became angry due to old man's comments. Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gods. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in the filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. Old man replied to Chen Yaozi that he is an oil seller. Every day he fills the gourds with the oil and sells them, and he has achieved some skill in filling the gourds. The old man asked a permission to show that skill to Chen Yaozi. Growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see that what would happen next. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. So, what was the skill that was achieved by the old man? The old man could pour oil into a gourd through a hole in a small coin without the oil touching the coin. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. Speechless means unable to speak. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. So at the end we can observe that old man was humble. Still he has got a skill, but he was a humble person. And after observing all his skill, Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and he told the old man that he has taught him something important today. And after that, Chen Yaozi never showed off his skills. Now let's learn the meanings. Archer means someone who shoots arrows from a bow. Feats means achievements that require a lot of skill, strength, etc. Precisely means exactly. Gourds means containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Uttered means said. Speechless means unable to speak. I hope all of you have understood the story. Thank you.